Who has been appointed as the President of Belarus? Answer: Alexander Lukashenko. Next question. Where were the UTT 86th Senior National and the Inter-State Table Championship 2024 held? Answer: Surat. When was World Leprosy Day celebrated? Answer: 26th January. How many individuals were honored with the Padma Vibhushan Award in 2025? Answer: 7. Which city will host the AI Action Summit 2025? Paris. Who inaugurated the Handloom Conclave Marathon? Answer: Giriraj Singh. Which state's tableau won the first prize in the States and Union Territories category at the Republic Day Parade 2025? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. In which state Indaramma Atmiya Bharosa scheme was recently launched? Answer: Telangana. Which country has recently developed the world's first deep sea radar that detect high-flying aircraft? Answer: China. Abdul Kuri Island is located in which ocean? Answer: Indian Ocean. Which organization has launched the quantum processor Willow? Answer: Google. Who recently won the India Open 2025 men's single title? Answer: Victor Alexson. In which state is Kokborok Day celebrated? Answer: Tripura. What is the name of India's first indigenous micro-missile system designed to counter swarm drones? Agni. Mount Ewe is located in which country? Answer: Indonesia. Which player won the ICC Men's T21 Cricketer of the Year award? Answer: Surya Kumar Yadav. Which country will host the Chess World Cup 2025? Answer: India. Which day is observed as the International Day of Education every year? Answer: 24th January. India hosted the second BIMSTEC expert group meeting on cyber security cooperation in which city? Answer: New Delhi. Rani Durgavati Tiger Reserve is located in which state? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Which bank becomes the first Indian bank to implement Clarify's NCRP integration solution? Answer: Punjab National Bank. How many people have been announced to be given the Padma Award by the Government of India in 2025? Answer: 139. Which organization approved the second living drug Cartemi for treating blood cancer? Answer: All India Institute of Medical Science at New Delhi. How many children were awarded the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar 2025 by President Draupadi Murmu? Answer: 17. Which country has developed the world's first deep sea rather than detect high-flying aircraft? Answer: China. Cyber Security Grants Challenge 2.0 has been launched by whom? Answer: Ministry of Technology and Data Security Council of India. Project Veer Gatha 4.0 is a joint initiative of which ministries? Answer: Ministry of Defense and Ministry of Education. Which state government has launched the She Cohort 3.0 initiative to empower women-led startups? Answer: Punjab. Which institution developed the Central Suspect Registry? Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center. Trends in World Military Expenditure Report is published by which organization? Answer: Stockholm International Peace Research Institute. Uturunku volcano that was recently seen in news is located in which country? Answer: Bolivia. Central Consumer Protection Authority (CCPA) functions under administrative control of which ministry? Answer: Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Niveshak Shivir is a joint initiative of which two institutions? Answer: Investor Education and Protection Fund Authority and Securities and Exchange Board of India. The Bio Input Resource Center are launched under which national mission? Answer: National Mission on Natural Farming. Which two organizations jointly developed the Medium Range Surface to Air Missile? Answer: Defense Research and Development Organization and Israel Aerospace Industries. Balikatan is a bilateral military exercise between which two countries? Answer: Philippines and the US. A carnivorous caterpillar called the bone collector was recently discovered at which place? Answer: Hawaii Island. Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center is established under which ministry? Answer: Ministry of Home Affairs. Karimpuza Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? Answer: Kerala. Which country is the host of biennial multinational air exercise? Answer: India. Which organization has released a report titled Education and Nutrition, Learn to Eat Well? Answer: United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO. Pravati 2 hydroelectric project which was seen in news is located in which state? Answer: Himachal Pradesh. The Sarhu festival is mainly celebrated in which state? Answer: Jharkhand. What is the total worth of projects launched by PM Narendra Modi in Chhattisgarh? Answer: 35,000 crore. Who has won the 2025 Tashkent Open Agzamov Memorial title in Tashkent, Uzbekistan? Answer: Nihal Sarin. Where will the Hero Asia Cup Hockey 2025 be hosted? Answer: Rajgir in Bihar. What is the expected growth rate of India's economy in the fiscal year 2025 or 26 according to the Economy Watch report? Answer: 6.5%. Who has been appointed as the CEO and Managing Director of Tata Group's electronics retail chain Croma? Answer: Shibashish Roy. What is the name of new cooperative-based taxi service being launched by the Indian government? Answer: Sahkar Taxi. Last question. Vandana Kataria, who has recently announced her retirement, is associated with which sport? Answer: हॉकी. सो गाइज, इसी के साथ हमारी ये वीडियो यहीं पे एंड होती है. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगती हो तो प्लीज़ गिव अ लाइक एंड ऑल्सो सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. सो मिलती हूँ आपसे अगले वीडियो में. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड गुड बाय.